What's good, Boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know. For those people who keep saying they like the singing intro, aka Dolly the Rebel, I'ma sing for you, boo. Anyways, today we're doing makeup organization. I don't know about you, but I'm basically over these acrylic drawers for my makeup, okay? Most girls, whether you're a YouTuber or not, you have these drawers. They're nice, they're convenient. So either you're gonna just keep buying more or you're gonna get something bigger. I'm tired of buying more. They are really cute, but they do get dirty. Also, when I was moving around, I dropped one of them. So I have a crack here. This one has a crack. You wouldn't notice it if I didn't point it out, but that, and then I'm just tired of the makeup fingerprints. So these are gonna be relocated somewhere outside of my beauty room, and we're going to transfer everything to here. It goes on for days, guys. So if you want to see me organize my makeup, then just keep on watching. So this is where I had my makeup before. As soon as you walk in the door, it's right there. That is not cute, so we're changing it. All right, boo, so I'm all done. I went ahead and put my perfume tray up here. In the first drawer, I have most of my filming headbands and some extra masks. And this one, I have my setting powders. I have my eyeshadow palettes and some loose shadows. Hey, that's a concealer. And some loose shadows that I need to go through because I don't really use those. Foundation. I have some more foundations that didn't fit. Contour palette, setting powders, highlighters, blush. concealer here, lip pencils, mascara, lipsticks. I have what's left that's clean because there's a lot of dirty stuff over here. But I have my clean brushes here and a few clean sponges. And then I have 3 empty drawers, so I have room to grow. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what you use to organize your makeup, or if you have any tips for makeup organization. Also, y'all, all these beauty room upgrades are leading to a beauty room tour. I know you guys have been waiting on that, but until I feel like it's OCD organized to my standard, y'all just gonna keep getting these upgrades. But we're getting close. We're about there. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen to Sheen Boo. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Snapchat and all of that. You already know where Sheen Boo is at. Sheen to Sheen Boo. You already know.